Welcome to OddsFlow AI tutorial series.
Today, I want you to imagine this dashboard as a live arena. On the left, the bookmaker pricing matches with odds. On the right, our AI recalculating what the probabilities should be. And the entire goal is simple. When the market is slightly wrong, that gap is called edge. No hype, just logs. Let's break this screen into three parts: probability, league trends, and value detection. First, the left side, probability analysis. You'll see two gauges in this Premier League view based on 20 matches. Gauge 1 is over 2.5 goals. That's the question. Will the match end with 3 total goals or more? Now look at the two labels. Market is what the bookmaker implies from odds. Here, it's 47%. Model is what our AI estimates here. It's 50%. This is important. We are not saying it will happen. We're saying the AI believes the true probability is higher than the market price suggests. Even small gaps matter because across many matches, that's where mispricing shows up. Now, gauge 2, draw probability. Market says 23%. Model says 20%. So the market is slightly overestimating draws, meaning in this batch, AI expects more matches to resolve into a win or a loss instead of a stalemate. That's part 1, probabilities. But probabilities alone don't tell you the why behind the league environment. So now the middle section, market trends. This is where the dashboard becomes really powerful for non-math users. Let's start with market volatility. Forget the scary word. In this dashboard, it's basically answering, how far is reality drifting away from what the market priced? Here's what you need to look at. Implied is the market expectation, 47.1%. Actual is what actually happened, 50%. So the deviation is plus 2.9%. In plain language, the league is currently producing slightly more high-scoring outcome than the market expected. Think of it like a weather forecast. If the forecast says 47% chance of heavy rain, but reality shows 50% of days actually have heavy rain, then the forecast is underestimating the storm. So volatility here is not random chaos. It's a measurable drift, the market script versus the real pattern. Now, the second trend card, home advantage. This one is a sleeper signal, especially for fans who always trust home teams. See the label? Away lean, negative 5.8. Market implied home win probability is 40.8%, but actual home win rate is only 35%. So home teams are underperforming the closing lines by 5.8%. Translation, don't blindly assume home equals stronger, because recently, away teams have been doing better than expected. Now we go to the right side, value detection. This is where the system turns all of those differences into a clean list. Edge found, 20 means across these 20 matches, the AI found 20 cases where model probability and market probability disagree beyond a threshold. Not every difference becomes a signal. And if you click View 20 Value Signals, you'd see the exact matches and markets where the edge exists, with timestamps, model logic, categories, and logging so you can verify later. Now, here's the big product point and why we built league tabs. Football leagues are not the same environment. Tempo, home advantage, scoring distribution, and even market bias differ. A rule of thumb that works in one league can fail in another. And the best part, we don't ask you to trust us. We show logs, timestamps, and post-match verification. This dashboard is free to use. If you want the method and if you want to see how we verify signals after the match also linked, no hype, just logs.